In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Fall Guys on your PC or laptop for free. If you're trying to play Fall Guys and you want to be able to do this for free in this tutorial, I'll show you how. First thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to fallguys.com. At the top you will see Download Now. Simply select the first icon for Epic Games. We need to do is scroll down and select Get. You'll need to sign into your Epic Games account. Once you sign in and it'll bring you here, we need to check out, and as you can see the total price is 0, so just select Place Order. In order for us to play this game, we need to ensure that we have the Epic Games launcher installed to our PC. So if you already have the Epic Games launcher installed on your computer, simply select Open Epic Games Launcher. But if you don't, select Download Epic Games Launcher. Open up the Epic Games Launcher installation file. Once it opens up, select Install. Once it's done installing, it'll open up Epic Games. Then all you need to do is sign in. Then once you sign in the left sidebar, go to Library. And you should see Fall Guys there. Select it, and then all you need to do here is select Install. It'll then start downloading. As you can see, it started installing. If you want to see the installation process, select Downloads. Once it's done, open Fall Guys. Then it will load Fall Guys. And then you can start playing Fall Guys.